The internet today is National Fried Chicken Day, a delicious treat that people seem to love so much that they could care less if it adds a few inches to their waist. And I'm going to push those cares aside myself and go to KFC. I know, classy. I'm going to get some fried chicken to eat in a way I never have before.
Welcome to KFC. Try our new Oreo or Reese's pie slices for only $1.99. Please wait and we'll be right with you.
Can I get a double down and a double-licious?
Just a sandwich?
Yep.
Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Okay, that's $9.20 for
Thank you. These are some pretty expensive sandwiches, but you can't put a price on a celebration like this. So let's dig in. What you got for me, Colonel? We got, I don't know which one that one is. And we got, I don't know which one that one is. But it's popping open. Better eat that one first. That looks like the Double-licious. Oh, yes. Let's see here. That was a struggle to get her out of there. Look at that. Got the bacon falling out of the sandwich. Can't have that. Jam that back in there. Alright. It's time to eat this greasy fried chicken. Double-licious. It's got cheese, some special sauce. There's grease on my hand already. This better be good. Should have got some napkins. Fried chicken tastes pretty dang good. Got sauce isn't too bad. Cheese is good. Bacon's nice. I don't know. That is pretty double-licious. That's quite a sandwich. I had to fight off the bugs to finish that one off. Not too shabby for a greasy meal. Now let's try this delicious meat-on-meat sandwich. Oh yes. Holy, that is a mess. That is one heck of a mess. We've got meat, and we've got meat and some cheese. Alright, let's try her out. Hey buddy, that actually wasn't too bad. I mean, the meat's a lot juicier on that one. Not quite as crispy. It's not like eating a sandwich at all. It's just like eating fried chicken with some nice cheese mess all over it. But let me see if I can make it through the rest of that and enjoy the sounds of the highway. Now that was one heck of a Kentucky Fried Feast. What kind of fried chicken are you gonna let pass under your uvula today?